Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the system uses R134A and gathering tools. Gauge set, R134A can with adapter, safety glasses, and gloves. Once done, park the Yukon with the engine running and AC set to max cool so pressures stabilize. This is why readings will be accurate. Next, open the hood and find the low-pressure service port on the larger suction line, usually near the accumulator. Carefully remove the dust cap and keep it where you won't lose it. You will attach the gauge hose next. You now attach the gauge low-side hose to the low-pressure port and hand tighten to avoid cross-threading. Once connected, observe the low-side pressure while the engine idles and AC blower is max. Typical safe idle pressure reads about 25 to 45 psi depending on ambient temp, and that tells you if recharge is needed. If low, shake the R134A can, invert if instructed by adapter, then add refrigerant in short 3 to 5 second bursts while watching the gauge. This prevents overfill and lets you finish by stopping refrigerant when the low side pressure matches the expected range for the outside temperature. Then remove the hose, replace the dust cap, and secure the can. Run the AC for 5 to 10 minutes and confirm vents blow noticeably colder air and the pressure stays steady. This shows the system accepted the charge. If you still have warm air or the pressure spikes, you likely have a leak, clogged orifice tube, or failing compressor. Make sure to inspect for oil stains and consider professional leak testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.